Recently, fellow peeps on the internet, you might have seen videos like this. After watching that, you might be thinking, have the Britons gone utterly insane? The answer is yes, many, many years ago. But what the hell is happening here? Why are these people ragdolling down a bloody hill? I have the answers, but you know the drill. First we hydrate, and then we educate. This is the Cooper Hill Cheese Rolling and Wake event. It is a nearly 200-year-old event that has been held every year on the spring bank holiday in Gloucestershire. Now, the aim of this ludicrous game is to race down a 200-yard stretch of hill at 45 degrees, chasing a wheel of double Gloucestershire cheese. Now, here's the thing. The cheese actually has a 10-second head start in this race, so there's no way in hell that any participant can actually catch the wheel of cheese, but whoever crosses the finishing line or ragdolls their way over it wins. What do they win? Fame, fortune? No, they win the wheel of cheese. Now, the origins of this bizarrely funny spectator sport is a bit of a mystery at the moment, and from my research I could only really find two schools of thought as to how the event came to be. So, origin theory number one is that this was created by farmers to dictate grazing rights for certain farms in local lands. Basically, a bunch of farmers would get together, they would take part in this competition, whoever would caught the cheese, or just finish the race, would win the grazing rights to the best land for their farm and for their animals. Makes kind of sense. Or, option number two, it's the pagans. Why? Because in the pagan community, a lot of their traditions, or a lot of their customs, involve rolling things down hills and then chasing after them. Although the pagans like to add more danger, because instead of a wheel of cheese, they would chase a burning pile of wicker branches. Because pagans and fire. But if you're one of the weird and wacky people that watch this event and think, that looks like fun, I want to participate, good news, you can! People from all over the world come to take part in this. But please bear this in mind, injuries happen. On average, for every 100 participants, 33 will receive severe injuries. From as little as a dislocated finger, to a broken nose, to things more severe like shattered ankles, fractured femurs, broken necks. So, bear that in mind. So there you have it, another weird and wonderful tradition that we have here in England. Although, in 2013, health and safety kind of ruined the game, because instead of having a 6-kilo wheel of cheese, they have now replaced it with a foam counterpart. Because evidently the cheese was the most dangerous part of the Cooper Hill cheese rolling event, not the 45-degree angle, or the rough terrain, or the effects of gravity on the human body. The cheese was a dangerous part, was it?